guys, it's me Hannah today. Okay, today is a beautiful day. Sky is so clear and with a little bit breeze. Okay, we today like to use AgroSense Barometric Pressure to remotely monitoring our garden's air pressure. Okay, let's go. Right now at the garden here, I will get setting up the barometric pressure sensor to measure the air pressure changes. Okay, let's do it. We use the cloud service Datacake to receive and display the data through our LoRaWAN gateway, which is about 2 kilometers away from the garden. Now, we add the device to Datacake by entering the DAP EUI, App EUI, and App key, and selecting the correct frequency plan. After all settings are completed, on the dashboard, we can see the current air pressure in the displayed in kiloscales, along with the maxima and average pressure levels. We can also monitor the air temperature at the same time and view its trend over the day. The data help us track weather changes and better understand atmospheric conditions in outdoor and agricultural environments. For more product information, please visit our official website at www.agrosense.cc. See you guys next time. Goodbye.